When Anshal was 8, she left her small village and arrived at Varanasi Seventh-day Adventist School. She had no friends, she didn't respect the teachers, and she knew nothing about Jesus. Anshal moved into the dormitory and quickly began making friends. The dorm is a social place where students play games, relax, and do schoolwork. Many of the students spend time reading their Bibles. This was a totally different world to Anshal's previous life in the village, but she found herself enjoying Bible studies and trying to get good grades. Eventually, Anshal gave her heart to Jesus and is so grateful for her experience at the school.
Really, God has blessed me so much that I learned so many stories and so many activities in this church, and I like them so much. And my favorite story is Job.
Like Anshal, many students come to this school knowing nothing about Jesus, but their lives are transformed. They are immersed in a holistic learning experience. In addition to the standard subjects, students learn about health, engage in fun activities, and enjoy delicious meals. Each Sabbath, students attend the Adventist House of Prayer, located right on campus. They often participate in the Sabbath program. Anshal and her friends love to sing for the congregation.
We are having these children from the village area, and they are learning Jesus, and they know that this is all blessing coming in the name of Jesus to them and to their families. So that's how the message of love and Jesus is going to the rural area from this small school.
God has blessed this school with more and more students each year, but unfortunately, the dormitories are overfull. The girls are crammed into a small space with bunk beds piled up against each other. This quarter, a portion of your 13 Sabbath offering will help expand the girls' dormitory, allowing more girls to attend school.
Present, we have only one room and we have 25 girls here. But then when the dorms are there, we will have around 60 girls in the dormitories. We will have just the double or triple of the girls studying in this. In this way, we will be educating more students in our school.
Please pray for Varanasi Seventh-day Adventist School. Pray that the teachers and students can continue to be a positive light for each other, like they were to Anshal. Please consider what you can do to help the girls at this school. Thank you for supporting projects such as this.
Thank you for supporting Mission Offering.